Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill a form inside of PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is open up our PDF XChange Editor. Then from here, it says here documents can be opened by double clicking here. So go ahead and double click there. And now go ahead and find that form you'd like to fill in. So I've got this demonstration form that I got ChatGPT to quickly whip me up. So from here, once you open it, you should be able to straight away fill in the form like so. Or we can go ahead and click on edit text. So click on edit text and you can edit any text inside of here like this. Now also, if we go ahead and click on the form field, we can add some checkboxes, radio buttons and text as well. So if I want to go ahead and add a checkbox, I can, but some of these features are only available for if you got the editor plus. So from here I can go ahead and add a text box here.